Schloss Bangalore launches 3,500 crore rupees IPO to boost the Leela's growth. Schloss Bangalore Limited, owner of the luxury hotel brand The Leela, announced a 3,500 crore IPO opening on May 26, 2025. The offer includes 2,500 crore rupees fresh issue and 1,000 crore rupees offer for sale by promoters. The IPO price band is set between 413 rupees and 435 rupees per share. Proceeds will support expansion, debt repayment, and corporate purposes. Brookfield, a major investor, highlighted strong confidence in the Leela's growth prospects. The IPO will be listed on BSE and NSE, targeting institutional, non-institutional, and retail investors through the ASBA process. Anurag Bhatnagar, CEO, Ravi Shankar, Head of Asset Management and CFO of the Leela Group, along with Ashank Kothari, Managing Director, Investments Real Estate, were in Ahmedabad on Thursday, the 21st May, at the Leela, Gandhinagar, and interacted with the media. Report will go online.
Shri Anurag Bhatnagar, Chief Executive Officer of the Leela Palaces Hotels and Resorts, Shri Ashank Kothari, Managing Director Real Estate India for Brookfield, Shri Ravi Shankar, Head of Asset Management and the Chief Financial Officer, the Leela Palaces Hotels and Resorts. The representation from the book running lead managers here on the dais is Shri Harshil Shah, Associate Capital Markets Group, Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited. Without further ado, I would now request Shri Harshil Shah to please commence the session today with his opening remarks.
All right. With that, I would like to, on behalf of the management of Schloss Bangalore Limited, the Leela Palace Hotels and Resorts, and the BRLMs to the IPO, I take great pleasure in extending a very warm welcome to each one of you present in this press meet for the launch of the Schloss Bangalore IPO. We at Kotak are proud to be book running lead managers to the IPO of Schloss Bangalore, the only institutionally owned and managed pure-play luxury hospitality company in India. The company owns, operates, manages, and develops luxury hotels and resorts under the leading brand The Leela, with a strong focus on building a luxury brand specializing in Indian hospitality. The Leela brand was ranked as number 1 among the world's best hospitality brands in 2020 and 2021, and among the world's top 3 hospitality brands in 2023 and calendar year 2024 by Travel Plus Leisure World's Best Award Surveys. Schloss Bangalore is present in all 7 top business markets and 3 of the top 5 on 28th May, with the anchor tranche opening and closing on 23rd May, that is tomorrow. IPO consists of a fresh issue of around 2,500 crore and an offer for sale of around 1,000 crore, totaling to 3,500 crores. The price band is rupees 413 to rupees 435, and the bid lot size is 34 shares. Thank you once again, everyone, for joining.
In India for over 15 years, and we are truly very grateful that India has been really good for us and has treated us very, very well. Today, our business in India, as Brookfield, we have over 2.5 lakh crores of assets that we are actively managing across the country. And while all our investments are very special in India, I would say that Leela is truly unique and something that's very close to my heart. Leela is not just an investment for us, it's a celebration of Indian hospitality at its finest, a representation of Atithi Devo Bhava, guest is God. And I was talking to our general manager earlier in the morning today, and he was telling me, Atithi Devo Bhava Parampara started in Gujarat. And Leela has really taken this parampara across the country and has been able to invite guests not only in the domestic but also internationally.
I mean, it's a great privilege and a great honor to be here with you today, and thank you for being here with us this afternoon. As Ashank mentioned, Leela is a very special and a unique business. And what I attempt to do today is to share with you what is our perspective and over your business, where are we today, where is the opportunity that lies, the opportunity set that we play in, and what is the value proposition. And as we launch our IPO, I mean, it is my really privilege to welcome you and to partner with us in this process. So Leela, the brand was established lagbhag 40 saal pehle by legendary hotelier Captain Nair. The brand over the last 40 years has been recognized as one of the finest luxury brands in the world. Over the last few years, the brand has won over 250 global awards. And ये चीज़ मैं आपसे कहना चाहूँगा कि these awards are actually given by actual guests who rate the hotel versus other luxury brands globally. Our business is a B2C business. It's very, very consumer and guest-centric business because ultimately we are a consumer brand. Our job is to create that experience for the guest and that memories and that lasting impact and impression. And as Ashank mentioned, Atithi Deva Bhava is something that is a part of our DNA, something is a part of our core. And I'm very happy to realize today that this started here in Gujarat itself. हमारा हर employee, हर associate इसको practice करता है. This is our dharma that we live by. And as a byproduct of that, as an output of that, as an outcome, you can see that the brand has been established as one of the finest brands. और मुझे बहुत गर्व होता है इस चीज़ का बोलने के लिए कि twice in a row the brand was voted in 2020 and 2021 as the world's #1 brand. केवल हिंदुस्तान में नहीं, the world's #1 brand. And consistently the brand is featured, the Leela is featured as the top 3 brands in the world, जिसमें सारे world के international brands भी participate करते हैं उसमें. So, I just want to share with you an overview of the Leela business. Leela today is the only institutionally owned and managed pure-play luxury hospitality company in India. Not only are we owners of some iconic palace hotels in great strategic locations, but also great food and beverage, wellness sanctuaries, and also, since our sponsorship is through Brookfield, great programming, technology and experiences that we have created as an ecosystem. So our focus has been pure play luxury. The second thing, which is unique and distinct for us, we also own the brand completely, 100% owners of the brand. What it allows us is to put this brand on our own hotels as well as managed hotels. What it also allows us is to use this brand for brand extensions, for luxury residences, luxury service apartments, a members-only club, and many other value drivers, which this advantage of owning the real estate as well as the brand gives us these revenue streams and ensures that there is a steady cash flow, there is revenue coming from asset ownership as well as fee earnings. At the core of all of this, as Ashank mentioned, this is this sentiment of Atithi Deva Bhava. Our philosophy, उसी की वजह से 85 जो net promoter score है हमारा, this is actually the voice of a customer. ये customers ये score हमें देते हैं, and there are, like Ashank mentioned, there are more than 800 touch points जहाँ पे ये impact बनता है. This is very very important for us, and I thought, मैं इसको बिगनी में लेकर आऊँगा. Our goal is to continue building and stay very focused on luxury. Luxury is something, creating experiences, programming, asset quality, detailing, everything that is to go with luxury is something that the business is all about. This is the only segment we are present in.
And how did we triple our 3 times? 3 बार में EBITDA कैसे 3 टाइम बढ़ाते हैं? One was obviously a very active asset management approach that we have. इसमें हम 3 तरीके से काम करते हैं. एक अपना टॉप लाइन कैसे बढ़ाना है, जिससे अपना ADR, occupancy, वो कैसे बढ़ाएंगे हम. दूसरा हम अपने कॉस्ट पे कैसे कंट्रोल करेंगे, अपनी मार्जिन कैसे बढ़ाएंगे, बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे तो आपको मार्जिन ही मिलता है बिजनेस से कि हाउ मच प्रॉफिट यू आर जनरेटिंग। एंड थर्ड, आप अपने एग्जिस्टिंग एसेट में कैसे वैल्यू ड्राइवर्स ऐड करो, आप नए रेस्टोरेंट बनाओ, नया बॉलरूम बनाओ, एडिशनल कमरे बनाओ सी एरिया में, सो दैट आप एडिशनल रेवेन्यू जनरेट कर पाओ, सो दैट अपार्ट फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल ऑपरेशन आपका होटल कर रहा है, नई फैसिलिटी भी आपको एडिशनल रेवेन्यू और ईबिटा दे। ये तीनों चीजें हमने की एसेट मैनेजमेंट में। प्लस Anurag has spoke, our brand is globally recognized, marquee assets with high barriers of entry. We have the best-in-class processes in the system. As a result, if you see our RevPAR index that we achieved in FY25 is 296. What does RevPAR index means actually? This is 40% more from the luxury industry